Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, May 13. Prime Minister Portia Simpson-Miller is asserting that her administration is committed to providing a favorable environment for business growth and economic expansion.
The government's commitment to rebalance the economy by debt reduction, the expansion of opportunities, job creation, improving the quality of life for the Jamaican people, and encouragement of private sector investment is working.
The Prime Minister was speaking at the opening of the offices of Guardsman Armored Group on South Camp Road last Friday. Government has completed legal arrangements and is now ready to gazette the amended Public Health Tobacco Control Regulations 2013. Though passed in Parliament, the bill laying out the regulations does not take effect in law until it's been signed by the Governor-General and published in the Jamaica Gazette.
Shortly, the amendments to the regulations will be gazetted. We have done all the work in relation to the Attorney General's Department, our chambers, and the Chief Parliamentary Council.
Health Minister Dr. FENTON Ferguson made the announcement during a public lecture at the University of the West Indies recently. He said no further changes had been made to the amendments since the last announcement. The current regulations make it illegal for persons to smoke in specified public places. Murders in the St. Andrew Central Police Division have declined by over 50% between January and May 4 this year when compared to the corresponding period last year. National Security Minister Peter Bunting made the revelation during a recent peace march throughout the Greater Augustown community in St. Andrew. Minister Bunting commended the police, church groups, community members and other stakeholders for playing their part in the Unite for Change campaign, a community peace-building initiative. He also urged the parents to play a more active role in the lives of their children.
Fathers in particular, make sure you play a role in the lives of your children, whether little girls or little boys.
Residents in Waterford and adjoining communities are benefiting from the recent opening of a resource and outreach center. The facility, which is located on the grounds of the Waterford Fire Station, was constructed and equipped at a cost of $4.4 million. State Minister for Local Government and Community Development, Colin Fagan, says the facility is part of the government's commitment to empower communities.
We are passionate about community development, and the establishment of the center is just one of the many steps we intend to take in creating an environment that is conducive to social and economic development.
The center was financed by the Universal Service Fund and completed with the assistance of the Local Government Ministry, the Jamaica Fire Brigade, Social Development Commission, and community volunteers. And finally, a newly refurbished cyber center called The Link is now serving residents of BREEZY Castle and surrounding communities in Kingston. Education Minister Reverend RONALD THWAITES says it's a valuable community resource that should be taken care of.
Think of it, students who have SBAs, who need to do research and schoolwork can come here. Micro business operators, people who are doing a little trading, who need a business card or who need something printed, who need to check out something on the internet, can come here.
The facility was established by the Multicare Foundation with assistance from telecommunications company Lime. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.